In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal photo ID in just 5 minutes, making your account more secure and trustworthy. We all know how important it is to have a verified account, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the official PayPal website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in PayPal's URL. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the page for the login button. Give that a click. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. This means typing in your email address and your password. Make sure you double check each field to ensure both are accurate because typos can certainly throw a wrench in things. It's always a good idea to periodically update your password to keep your account secure. After entering this information, click the login button to access your account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, shift your attention to the notification section, signified by a bell icon. Top right, a little like an alert symbol. Click on it and you should see a notification prompting you to provide info. This step is crucial as it indicates where PayPal needs more information from you. Click on Provide Info. In doing so, you'll find the option to upload a photo ID. If you can't locate this directly through the notifications, you can alternatively navigate through your profile settings. Just click on your profile at the top and then select Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the settings, steer towards Data and Privacy, a section designed specifically for managing your information. Here you'll have the opportunity to update and verify your data. Look for the Upload option and select Upload a Photo ID. This is where you will submit your official ID document. Make sure your ID is clear, legible, and within the accepted file formats as specified by PayPal. Once uploaded, double check the information to ensure accuracy, as any errors might delay the verification process. After submission, PayPal will take some time to review your ID. Verification can sometimes be immediate, but in other cases it might take a bit longer, so keep an eye on your notifications or email for confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to verify your PayPal photo ID. By following these instructions, you make sure your account remains secure, paving the way for smoother transactions and more trusted interactions on the platform. If you encountered any issues along the way, PayPal's Help Center is a great resource for additional support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.